Today is hashtag Lookalike Day. Napa-second look ka rin ba sa ilang kapusong magkakamuka? Gaya ni na Heart Evangelista at Caprice Cayetano, Annalyn Baro at Isabel Ortega, Kylie Padilla at South Korean superstar na si Han So-hee, Gabby Garcia at Michelle D. Ang face card and body ni MMD, it's really giving sa isang fashion event. Pero sa gitna ng pagrampa ng Miss Universe Philippines 2023 at Sparkle Beauty,
may konting mishap sa sapatos, pero syempre that's why you train and your job is to make it not obvious na may nangyayaring mali.
the show must go on din para sa Team Jolly, Sofia Pablo at Allen Ansay na nakaranas ng technical difficulty.
Medyo nagka-aberya kanina sa music. Talaga makikita mo yung bawat isa talagang tulungan para mas matuloy pa rin yung show.
Nung naglalakad po ako, yun yung peak na nawala talaga yung music. So, na-stress ako ng slight, but sabi ko the show must go on.
Full circle moment naman ito para kay the master cutter star Max Collins.
Nakita ko yung mga bagets. Alala ko a decade ago, I was one of them. And now to be one of the veterans is like, wow, it's so inspiring. I was like, wow, I've came a long way.
Head-turner din ang mag-best friends na David Licauco at Dustin Yu sa runway, habang effortlessly charming si Sangre Adamus Kelvin Miranda, sa kabila ng kanyang pagluluksa ngayon sa pagpanaw ng kanyang ama. Katrina Son, GMA News.